So, you want to become a solo game dev? Well, good news, you don't have to learn literally everything. And trust me, that would take forever. So, here's a roadmap I wish someone gave me when I started. First, you gotta learn some programming. Not like becoming a coding wizard, just learn the basics variables, if statements, loops, and functions. The stuff that makes your game actually do things. Once you understand that, you're good to start building. Next, pick a game engine. Godot, Unity, Game Maker, Lab2D, whatever. Seriously, don't spend 6 months watching videos about which engine is the best. Just pick one and actually use it. Then comes the fun part, game design. Because here's the thing, you can make a game that works perfectly and is still very boring. You need to understand stuff like game loops, difficulty, player feedback, level design, and why some games are just very hard to put down. That's actually what I talk about on this channel. Game design, how games work, and how we can use those ideas when making our own games. Anyway, back to the roadmap. Now you also need some art and audio. But please don't think you need to become the next Picasso before you're making a game. You can make simple pixel art, use assets, or make your own sounds. Whatever gets the job done. Don't overthink it. And this one is probably the most important. Actually make some games. Start tiny. Make Bong, make Fluffy Bird, make a tiny platformer, then make something that's actually your own. Please don't start with your dream game. You're gonna suffer a lot and probably end up quitting. So basically, learn something and make something, finish it, realize what you are doing wrong, learn again. That's the solo game dev roadmap. You don't need to know everything, you just need to start making games.